Hi, Fraser Cousins here, live from ISE, day one. What an exciting day to be here. I have the pleasure to show you the most anticipated smartboard ever, the Smart 7000 Pro Series, which is right here. Comes in a 75 or 86 Ultra HD. We've reinvented a bunch of new capabilities around the next generation around touch technology. Let me show you that. First capability around it is called HyperTouch. I'm going to actually invite David to come up here, and we're going to show you some of the key features around HyperTouch. What is HyperTouch? HyperTouch is based on in-glass technology that allows you to be able to mark up any particular content that you work on. So I'm going to go ahead and pick an interactive port here where we'll bring up some content and work together on. So maybe let's work on this PowerPoint here. I'll make that full screen. So we'll work on this together. So as he writes, you'll notice it's fluid and clear. It's very responsive, so there's no latency with this technology. If I erase, it does not interfere with my colleague. It's very powerful in terms of what we can do with this next generation technology. Beyond HyperTouch, Smart Solution includes 2 proximity sensors for automatic wake up for ad hoc use. We've disrupted the way video source switching works in a meeting room. Let me show you that. From our IQ tray, we have built-in applications that include a whiteboard, a browser, but where we're getting a lot of kudos in the audiovisual world is the input button. What we do is give you a live preview of up to 4 of our video sources, real time of what's happening on what's connected to your smartboard. And no longer is it guessing, is it HDMI 1 or laptop 2 or what source is my computer on? Because I can actually get a visual indicator of which one I should select. Plus, if USB is plugged in, I have a touch-enabled icon to let me know that it's ready and available for me to be able to interact with that content, which is very powerful. But with every wired connection that we do, we get so many requests for wireless. That's why we include screencasting. With our screencasting technology, we offer no app required native Miracast, AirPlay, and Google Cast, which gives you every display, device imaginable that allows you to pair and connect that with the board. I'll show you that, and it's actually quite simple. So from my iPhone, I simply swipe up, hit AirPlay Mirror. In this one, it's called Meeting Room 4. I select it, and it just shows up. It supports both portrait and landscape. Let me just unlock my phone. So it supports both portrait and landscape. Nice and simple and easy way to actually be able to do screencasting. So regardless of device, you can now share your content with the display and also be able to support markup. So now you can capture those notes, get those to the right users so everyone can be on the same page. To learn more, go to www.smarttech.com.